Assalamualaikum. So in this video, we are going to learn how to connect Laravel 10 to Oracle 10G. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to download Oracle 10, Oracle Instant Client, and PECLOG. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it. Just click on download and download anyway. But since I already downloaded the file, I'm not gonna go through that. I'm gonna show you where to go. So pick the latest version for Instant Client, and I pick this one. And for OG, I'm using OG 8.3.2.1 for PHP 8.1, which is not this one. Just download here. And then let's save this one. Okay. After you got all of your file downloaded, okay, this one, we're gonna start downloading Oracle 10G. Application. Next. Accept. Next. Merge. Okay. Next. Password. Just put any password. Install. Okay, this is gonna take a while. This is the starting guide. We're probably just going to do half of this. And let's locate where the file is. So page, enter system, and then enter the password that was specified when Oracle Database XE was installed. Password, login. Next. Administrative icon. Database user. So we're gonna add. Let's add a new one. Create. Ask. Whatever password. And then just check all of this and create. Now we have another database. And next, we're going to move all the .dll file OG to Laragon, bin PHP, and ext. So let's check our file OG. And then just copy all of this. bin PHP. Let's do this one. And then ext. And then just paste. Replace. Okay. Then let's move on to another step, which is move all.dll file from an instant client to Laragon bin Apache. Instant client. Every single one of them. Copy this. And then we'll bin. And then I'll take this one. And then again. Right here. Done with that step. And then we're gonna enable an extension at Laragon. So open up your Laragon, start all, right click, PHP extension, and then click on Uchi 819. Yes. Okay, good. Another one for video Uchi. Let's check. Okay, good to go. Now we're going to create a project with Laravel. And then I'm going to install Oracle SQL Developer on Visual Studio Code. Now we have that. We are going to install. Okay, we done this already install Oracle SQL Developer. And then we're going to install Yajara package for Oracle. Okay. This. And we'll wait for this to finish. I'm gonna do this, copy this, and put it on app.php. Here, config app.php here, and then you put your package here, and then save it. Okay. This is we're going to look for file ts names.ora at Oracle product server network admin. Let's go check them. Help Oracle product. So network, network. Okay, this is our TNS names. Okay, see the host, the port, server name. Let's go to our project. At this, just gonna insert information from tnsnames.aura to env.oracle.php and web.php. Let's do that. Go env. Okay, let's replace this to this. Replace the host. That's right. You rename database task, and then service name xe, and then the username also task, password. We're good to go, and make sure to command this. Then for env, change to Oracle db host forward in 21 database task, and then password. If this, and then for web.php, I'm gonna add the coding on a notepad here. Copy all this. And that, and I run the project. So, yeah. Now, based on web.php and /og over here, and then og. Yeah, it says connected to Oracle database. Let's see if we could drop the table. So okay, try migrate fresh. We're able to drop all the tables, meaning we have successfully connected Laravel 10 to Oracle 10G. So I hope this video will help you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.